In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your YouTube TV free trial to access ESPN and enjoy live sports, including games, analysis, and exclusive shows. ESPN is included as part of YouTube TV's standard channel lineup, so you don't need any additional subscriptions to watch it during the free trial. Start by signing up for the YouTube TV free trial, typically 7 to 14 days, on their website or app. During the sign-up process, confirm that ESPN is listed in the available channels. Once your account is set up, open the YouTube TV app or website and navigate to the Live section to find ESPN's live broadcasts. You can also use the search bar to locate specific shows, events, or on-demand content. If you want to record live sports or shows, take advantage of YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature, which is available even during the free trial. Just remember to cancel your subscription before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. With this setup, you can enjoy all the sports action ESPN has to offer. If this video helped you redeem your YouTube TV free trial for ESPN, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.